is Incarne. I'm here in Wuyi. It's about 5 hours from Shanghai. We are here in a very old temple. It's about 700-800 years old. So I'm here in this 3-day trip, going tomorrow to the Glass Bridge. So this is where the famous Glass Bridge is. I don't know if you can see it from behind there. Ah, look, they're taking the picture. Ah, wait!
We misunderstood the pronunciation of our tour guide, and we were planning to take a nap, and then we realized that we were almost missing this amazing experience in central part of Zhejiang province.
Okay, we are walking on the grass.
Yes! Let's make it again. We are walking on the grass.
Saying like it's super foggy, 6 p.m. and you cannot see anything.
Super foggy.
Yes, it's scary.
We are living in a scary movie.
Zhejiang province. So what is this town famous for?
Famous for the
Hotness. It's like 40 degrees now.
no photo, no video.
She's so paparazzi that hates cameras. Okay, so we are here in Shuijingjie, which is very historical street here in Chuzhou.
Okay, so now we see is the tower called Tianwang Ta. Indeed, we see a lot of couple or maybe only girls doing shorts. It's quite a vintage style.
This is famous also because in this town actually is where Confucius was living for many years. So in old times, this is where the kind of the main part of the fortress, and this is where the downtown was. So this is very typical in all the Asian cities here in China.
Called Jianglangshan, and our tour guide obviously is lost.
Jianglangshan. So I'm gonna edit this part so Martina is in here.
The celebration of the 70 years of PRC. This year is the 70th anniversary. Bellissimo!